like a Hellcat.
So what's up guys, this is the channel and it's called Trottologic, which is a good site to order your stuff, which you'll get in a reasonable price, and you get a lot of stuff over here. You get a mask, jersey, combat sets, rubber, bubble stickers, biker flags, banana, pop holder, notebook, embroidered keychains, Zodak stickers, waistbands, mouse pads, many more. They have caps, car sticker, custom stickers, and you can make your own embroidery badge too. And there's like customs. You can engrave your own stickers. You can make your own stickers. Like you get all this stuff. You get a custom reflector armband when you wear your riding jackets. You get all this stuff. So you get all this made from Trottologic, and Trottologic has sent me something crazy. I appreciate you guys for sending me this gift. They have sent me this, which is a jacket, which is an embroidered jacket, name tag. It is you can put this in back of your riding jacket like this. So I'll be putting this on my jacket and doing a small time lapse of like how I put this on my jacket. And they have sent me a lot of stuff.
They have sent me stickers.
They have sent me embroidery badge. So it's like, so you just have to put this like this. It's like an embroidery badge, and you can stick it on top behind your riding jacket. And then sent me one more small one. Thank you so much. This is like my name with my blood group, and this is very true, this sticker, which says, instead of trying to blend in and be like everyone else, I became a biker. So they have sent me my YouTube stickers, the RTR vlogger. Thank you so much. And they have sent me Instagram stuff. So I used one. I put it on my motorcycle behind my seat. So अपना ये बेचा हुआ है. Thank you so much भाई for sending me all this stuff. And quality is damn high. Quality को देखना भी नहीं पड़ेगा भाई. ये quality is 3M. It's matte finish and it's amazing stickers. And I put this on my riding jacket. So that I'll show you that. Okay, so by Trottology, thank you so much bhai. So let's go and see my jacket, guys. This is my jacket, which is from Speed and Strength. It's an abroad company. So guys, आज अभी जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ वो है this. I have used this a lot. ये I think so it's been like, मेरे को ये January में I taken this to Daman, I think so. Yeah, and it is a really good quality. I had ordered the Indian flag also, and this is my name with my blood group. So it's like this, and the big one will be coming behind over here somewhere.
तो व्हाट्सअप भाई लोग, अपने ये शॉप में आए यहाँ पे शाहपुर साइड. सो अपना जैकेट अभी बन रही है, ठीक है. सो आई लेट यू नो हाउ दे आर डूइंग द वर्क, ठीक है. सो अपने यहाँ पे रोज टेलर्स है जो आता है शाहपुर साइड. सो अपने आज मोहसिन भाई ने अपना काम कर दिया है, और भाई ने पूरा हाथ से ही सिलाया है. और एक्चुअली क्या हुआ था, ये प्रॉब्लम हुआ था बिकॉज आई हैव माई बैक रेस्ट बिहाइंड. तो बैक रेस्ट मैंने निकाल दिया था, तो हमने अंदर से मशीन घुमा दिया था. सो वापस ओपन किया है, तो अभी मोहसिन भाई ने पूरा हाथ से ही सिलाया है. थैंक यू सो मच मोहसिन भाई. दिस इज आवर फाइनल प्रोडक्ट एंड इट लुक्स good on this, and like my jacket is over here.
So yeah guys,
This is the end of the video. I want to thank Trottologic for sending me all the gifts, all the love from and support from you guys. I've got a lot of support from you guys. Thank you so much भाई लोग आपने, and I'll keep growing with you. And Protologic has given a discount code for me and for you guys, and I'll be putting the discount code over here. So this is the discount code. So you go, whenever you buy something, you can go to the discount, which is add a coupon. So you can add this ID over here. So after adding this, you'll get a 25% discount, and that's it. So guys, hope you like this video. Thank you so much for your love, support and everything. Thank you so much भाई लोग, आपका support के लिए Protologic वापस thank you, and see you next time. God bless you guys. Stay home, stay safe, take care.